Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to talk about how you can position yourself to make money from the Hamster Kombat airdrop that is going to happen very soon. So if you go to airdrop, you will see that the listing date is there, and under withdrawal you see that we have two exchanges that are listed here. We have OKX and we have Bybit. Now for those who are in Nigeria, you cannot use OKX because OKX is no longer operational in Nigeria. So you would want to use Bybit. So if you click on the Bybit, you see that all you need to do is to register on Bybit. Okay, so if you don't have a Bybit account, you can check the description of this video for my Bybit referral code, which you can use to register. And once you register on Bybit, you'll be able to get some bonuses as a result of using that referral code. So you can go ahead and use the referral code, which I'll drop in the description of this video. Now, why should you register on Bybit? Let me open my Bybit and I will show you why. Now, on Bybit, especially for someone who is in Nigeria, you can easily sell your coin and get the money in Naira. Okay, so this is what happens. Let me use the case of dogs as an example to show you how the Hamster Kombat airdrop is going to happen and how you can convert it to USDT and eventually to Naira. Okay, so if you go over to, you can see deposit right here after you register. Okay, after you register using the link or using the link I'll drop in the description of this video, and you input my referral code, you will get bonuses up to $20, which you can use for derivatives trading. And then if you would want to make sure that you do your KYC. So KYC is know your customer. It's a verification process whereby Bybit as a company would want to verify your details. Okay, so that's verification is very important. It will allow you to have full access to the platform. You can see here that my account is verified with this green check mark here. Okay, so you'd want to verify your account. Okay, so after your account is verified, very soon Hamster Kombat is going to ask for the linking for you to submit your Bybit wallet address. Okay, so Hamster Kombat is going to be launched on Ton Wallet. So what you want to do is you click on deposit right here, and then you go over to deposit crypto. So if you click on deposit crypto, you see there are different cryptocurrencies that are here. So what you would want to do is to search for the particular one that you want to deposit. Now we are using Hamster Kombat as an example. We are anticipating the airdrop of hamster, but let me use dogs as an example. So if I search for dogs, you see that dogs is here. So by the time Hamster Kombat is ready to be deposited, once you search for Hamster Kombat, you will see it right here. So if I click on dogs now, then they will ask me to choose the blockchain. Okay, so dogs is on the Ton blockchain, the same thing as Hamster Kombat. So all I will do is to click on this Ton here, and once I do that, then I will get two things that I need to copy. I'll get the wallet address and the memo. So what I will need to do is to copy the wallet address and go and paste on Hamster Kombat. For the case of dogs, what we did was to copy the wallet address here and paste in the space provided for wallet address, and then copy the tag or the memo and also go and paste. So once you do that, your Hamster Kombat will now have the address of your Ton wallet from Bybit, from where they can now send the Hamster Kombat. So this was what dogs did, and with this address they were able to send dogs to Bybit. Okay, so that is what is going to happen. Now, when the dogs come, or when the Hamster Kombat coins comes into your Bybit account, from there you can now begin to sell it. Okay, so you can go over to market, and I will be on, it will be under spot. So under the spot market, and then you can now search for the particular coin pair. Okay, so this is BTC USDT, ETH USDT, dogs USDT. So if Hamster Combat is listed, you will be able to see Hamster USDT. So if I click on this dogs USDT now, so I'll be able to see the details of how it is happening. I can just click on trade, or I'll click on chart to see how the chart is looking. For this video, we are not interested in the chart, we are interested in trading. So I'll click on trade, and from here, this is where you sell your coins. Okay, so to buy, if you click on buy, that means you have USDT and you want to get more of dogs. But what you want to do, if you have if Hamster Combat is airdropped into your account, is that you are going to have Hamster Combat coins here, and then you want to sell it to collect USDT. So USDT is like the equivalent of US dollar. So one USDT is approximately equal to one US dollar. Okay, so you would want to sell the dogs or the hamster, convert it into USDT. So you can decide, you can use this slider here to sell, whether you want to sell all of it or you want to sell just a portion of it, and then you can go ahead and sell. So once you have sold, what you would have is USDT. You don't yet have the money in naira, for example, if you're in Nigeria. So what you would want to do after that is to go over to P2P trading. So from the home tab here, you see P2P trading here. So P2P stands for peer to peer. So you are trading with other persons. You are trading with other persons on the platform. So on this peer to peer trading, you can sell your USDT, which you have collected from the sale of hamster, for example, into USDT, and now you want to sell that USDT for Nigerian naira. So if you see, once you click on P2P, after you've done your verification, you will see the buy option and then the sell option. So to sell means that you have USDT and you want to collect naira. To buy means that you have naira and you want to buy USDT. So in that case, since you've sold your Hamster Combat coins for USDT, and let's say you already have 200 USDT, and now you want to sell your 200 USDT to collect the money in naira and then begin to spend it. So what you will do is to, after you've come to P2P trading, you click on sell, and then you see different advertisements of the price of USDT to naira. So this first person here is selling, or is willing to buy 1 USDT for 1,721 naira. But there's the limit here is that this person is first, the person is only doing bank transfer, and this person's order, or yes, this person's order has certain restrictions. Like if you click now, you say your 30-day completed orders are less than 60. So what it means is that this person does not want to sell to anybody that has not made up to 60 orders in the last 30 days. Okay, so you are not eligible to sell to this person. So you would scroll through to look for another person that you are eligible to transact with. Or what you can do, you use this filter here. You use the filter, and then you can show only eligible ads. Show only eligible ads. You click on confirm. Then all the ads that you now see are the ones that you can interact with. So that is what you want to do, and after that you just pick the particular person you want to transact with. Look at the number of orders they've successfully carried out, and the amount they are willing to buy, and then you can click on sell, and then you now input the amount of USDT that you want to sell to this person. So let's say you cashed out $200 from Hamster, then you click on 200 like this, and this person has an upper limit, so you may have to choose another person. But this is just a demonstration of what you can do when you've sold your Hamster Kombat. So once Hamster Kombat is listed and trading begins, I will still make another video of how you can actually do this whole process, so that I will do some transactions and then record it, and you'll be able to follow along. So if you're new to my channel, I encourage you to subscribe, because I make videos like this every day. And like I said, check the description of this video for the link to uh, download Bybit, and make sure to use my referral code so that you can get the $20 welcome bonus that is attached to it. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.